Good morning, good night, good afternoon. That's up to you when you see it. 2025, we going in a different direction. About to do some switch ups, do some different angles and everything. And honestly, a lot of people, they try to gatekeep when it comes down to the stuff that they using. So I'm gonna do an unboxing video and let y'all see hands-on, what I'm actually using, here going forward and everything like that. So before I get started, thanks for watching. And I'm gonna say also that no, I am not being paid or endorsed by any one of these companies. I'm just showing, this to my followers and whoever else may want to see the video, so it'll take some of the guesswork or not. Cause a lot of people, like I said, they don't like showing, where they getting their products from, or they don't like, explain anything. So I'm gonna do an unboxing video and then I'm gonna turn around and show you an installation video. So right here we got the Insta1 360. That's my first time using it. I don't know anything about it. I just seen the videos and I like the angles of it. I got both of these products from Amazon, Insta360, and then this is the mount they go for it. So hold on for a second. I'm gonna go ahead and get this out the box and everything and let y'all see this and the mount. And I got the X2. I think they got an X3 and the X4 out, but looking at the prices of it, my pockets ain't really feeling the X3 and 4. So yeah, and then this mount right here. So bam, let me get started. So when you first take it out the box, this is what you'll see. So far everything looks like it's pretty sleek, ready to get started and see what it's all about. So first out the box, you got the camera, you got the charger cable, Type-C to USB, you got a storage case, you got a microfiber cloth, and I guess maybe if you're interested in advertising for them, maybe. You also got the guides and everything, warranty cards or whatever. So okay, so far it seems pretty good. I mean, it's pretty lightweight, so yeah, I guess I'll take it apart and see what's going on with it. So on this side, there's the power button, pretty simple. I'm assuming that this hole right here is for the microphone. That's what I'm assuming, I'm not sure yet. You take the door off on the other side, you got your charging port, you got your battery, and then your SD card goes in there as well. So overall, I'm liking the experience so far. It's pretty cool. I think I'm gonna like it. I also forgot that I ordered a SD card, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there before I put the battery back in and turn it on. You know what? I'm gonna have to get another one. Wrong SD card. It's the actual SD card and not a micro. So I'm gonna have to find a micro before I use it. I may have to repurpose one. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to think about it. So next we're gonna do the mount. It says PellKing 501 car mount. They give you the instructions. That's the first thing you see when you take it out of the box. It looks pretty simple, so I should be able to do it by myself. It actually tell you that, it's designed for the Insta360 and everything, and it has the invisible selfie stick. So I don't really know what makes it invisible, if it's too thin for the camera to see it or what, but yeah, that's how it is. We first open the box, you see all your items and everything. Let me go ahead and take it out so we can see everything we got, and then we'll get started putting it together. So this is all your hardware. You got the 3 suction cups, which appears to be the main mount on the instructions. Then you got this is for stabilization. Also, this is the stabilizer as well. Then this is the clamp that helps it, a little knob, alley key, and you got the actual pole itself, the selfie stick itself. And it says designed for bullet time. I don't know what that means, but okay. So fully extended with the camera on, that's what it looks like. All right, so next up, we'll put the whole thing together, and then I'll show you what it looks like on the car. Like always, thanks for watching. All right, you guys, I went to Dollar General, got the right SD card. It's only 64 gigabytes, but yeah, I think that'll work. So next up, the car is very dirty, but I also recommend that you clean your surfaces off. Hey, you kind of see why I tried to wipe it off a little bit. It might work, it might not. I got this on. You got 3 suction cups. And then this one got 2. And now you see I'm twisting it to the on position. Worked pretty good. The Amazon might seem like it working pretty good now. I like that. Now the next part is we gotta add this. And we gotta add that right there. And then after that, we'll be ready. I don't know what this for. Yeah, nah, we ain't gonna use that. I don't know what that's for. Alright, so we got everything mounted. It's tight. We don't let everything out. It seems like it kind of sturdy. I ain't really sure though. We're gonna see. I guess we'll see how the wind go. But I mean, like I said, it was only $100. So now we put the camera on. And bam. I need to see, do they have an app where you can watch it while you're going on the road, or if it just record. All right, the next clip will be an actual video or the camera going on the road. Next clip will be the actual camera going on the road. And like always, thanks for watching. Because remember, good morning, good night, good afternoon. That's what you do see. Bam!